Welcome back, friends. In this video, we will be discussing what is the requirement of the branch, and then why do we require that branch, and what is the main purpose of that branch. When we have working branch with us, what is the requirement that we should go with the new branch? So, friends, there is always a requirement of this branch because, see, if you assume this is the working project, this may be a big project, any big website or a big app. So you cannot directly go and make the changes in it. If you go and directly make the changes, and if it finds some error and it stops working, it will be a huge chaos there. So we always prefer uh, to create a new branch and work on it. And if that branch is working fine, if that branch is tested well, then only merge back into the main branch. For example, this is the working branch. You can see this is the output. It is the simple CISO, that is sysout. I have made just sysout. Let me just run and show you. You can see this is the output. You can, this is just for the prototyping purpose. This will be a very huge project, any website, any app, or anything like that. So you just require to know that this is the main working project. So whenever you are assigned to do some changes on the main branch, first of all, you need to create the branch. Creating branch is a very simple task. What you just require to do is, if you are working with the command desk, command prompt means this is the command prompt. Here you will be giving the commands. You just require to give this command from the main branch. Git checkout -b and the branch name. Branch name, for example, we will be taking this as first branch. So when you enter the this command, it will be creating a new branch and automatically it will get checked out to the new branch. Then you work on the new branch. Then before, this is very important step that you should check out to the main branch before merging into it. So check out to the main branch and then merge that first branch into the main branch. How you can do that? You just need to go to the main branch, and from main branch you just need to give the command git merge and the branch name. Here in this case, my branch name is the first branch. So let us go and see practically how we can do this. This is a very important thing that you should remember while doing the CDAC project, as well as when you go to the industries. And you should be well versed in these things, otherwise you will be creating a kiosk and you will be fired soon if you just mix up the main project and stop the main project working. So let's go to the STS and just do the changes. First of all, we will be create the branch. Here in this STS, this is a graphical user interface, and here you don't require any commands for creating it. If you require the commands also, you just please let me know in the comments so that we can do one more video on that command based branch creation and merging it into the main branch. So it is very easy here to for creating the branch, merging the branch. You just need to change the perspective to the Git. Then click on the repository. Here you can see the main. The main is the repository name. This is cloned from my repository. For the cloning purpose, you can see my previous video. There I have shown how to clone the repository to the local. How to create the branch. Just click on the branch. Then right click. Then switch to, just click on the new branch. Give the branch name as, what is our branch name here? Here it is first branch. This internally STS will be giving commands to the bash of that Git. After giving the branch name, check out to the new branch is required. Otherwise, you will be doing checking out process manually. Then click on finish. Here you can see the branch name changed. First branch, it has earlier it was main branch, and this is the main first branch, which is the branch of the main branch. See, this way it got separated, but it contains all the main contents. Working branch it is. And in this branch, what you will be doing is you will be adding things on the working branch. That is experimenting. And if that succeeds well, if all the test cases are passed, and then finally you can merge it, taking the prior instructions and permissions from the your senior manager or leads or testing team. So we will be adding here. See, for example, if I write any command, this is all the commands I'm typing in the branch of the main. I'm not in working on the main project directly. Welcome to branch, right? Just save it. When you save this project, you will be getting unstaged changes. This means that these changes are not staged yet. To get the changes, you need to stage these changes, and then after staging the changes, you need to commit that changes to get reflected into the branch. So I will just click on this double plus sign for staging. Command for staging in the git bash is git add this is staged. The command to work in the that git bash, you can directly state or put in the command git stage git add and dot for the current directory. It will stage all the commits, or else you can do it manually or individually for the file git add and the file name. This is the staged file. You need to add the comment. This is a commit message which is from the branch part. So I just mention the branch name as well so that we could avoid the confusion. Then just click on the commit and push button. After clicking that, click on the preview. Previewing, it will show you the where you are going to commit, or first branch will be committed to first branch. This is the new branch, it states. Just click on the push. This is the standard that you don't merge on the same PC. You assign this project to another team leads or senior manager. That is, see here you can see the project has been committed there. Here new branch gets created. See, first branch, and what that manager will do now. This will be creating the merge request. From my experience that you should not take this option. Otherwise, what happens sometimes, it happens that I will just untick because while I was working on the project, there was a requirement after deleting the branch for the comparison purpose. So that created the whole mess in my project, which took around 4 hours for recreating that project. So it is better that you untick this option, and if everything is clear, then only delete. Deleting is not that a difficult task. Then create the merge request. After the creating merge request, these options are available for me because I have assigned it to me and I have created the request. But in the working environment, you will be creating merge request and someone else will be approving or assigning to you. So I will click on approve. This is the work which is done by manager, not you. Then click on the merge. Here branch is merged now. And a good practice is that every time you merge the branch, you delete that branch. See, here merge request is successfully combined. Now what I'll do is I'll just delete that branch. Delete merge branch. Branch is deleted successfully. Now when you come to this project, what you just required to do is first of all check out to the main branch. Why that is a checkout is needed? Because this branch doesn't exist, so whatever you will be pushing, it will be going to the dump. It is the most important step that you need to do. Switch to main branch. See, we have not pulled the changes, so changes are not reflected. Once I pull the changes from the repository, from the origin, all the changes will be reflected here. So let us pull the changes. It is showing there are changes and that you need to merge. See, all the changes are reflecting here. See, here, this is the changes from the first branch, and branch is deleted successfully. Working project is combined back to the main. If that project is not working, there is no meaning of merging. If you merge that non-working project, you will stop the main project as well. So you should be very careful while merging. You should always cross-check with testing team. You should always cross-check with your team leads, managers. Thank you very much.